Hey, welcome back here to my do it yourself. So what do we have today is this toilet. I've been having a problem because the problem was actually is this one, something wrong with the valve. So it doesn't feed, doesn't feed water, right? It's just leaking only here somewhere. So I thought, okay, so now I will replace it. And then later, I didn't really realize that this one also gave up, right? So it was for me, it was like really hard to see because it was sitting properly like that, right? I thought maybe, right? So yeah, that's what I thought. Then after that, when I it's only like that, then you just whoop. Okay, so now I bought you know where some. Okay, and then probably we may just have to shorten it from here. So what we have to do here is we have to remove this whole thing, just the tank. Right, so those two bolts there to remove. And that's it. And then we can put this one up. Okay. So let's remove this. So first thing is we have to shut off this. And then again we have to. So it's gonna leak. There's some water in the tank. I could bring something bigger than this one to catch the water. Anyhow, it's okay. There you go. I hope it's 3.8 maybe 3 or 7.16. You should also like replace the rubber washer. Okay, so one more. Give me some waters. There you go. Okay, so that's already off. This is high. Yeah, so this is pretty high. I have to cut it. Okay, so we already shortened it. Cut it with the hacksaw. Okay. Just like that. Gotta remove that. You need to channel lock like this. It works. A little bit small, but and from here, remove it like that. Okay. You don't need that. You still gotta keep this. And now should replace the one. So everything is, you should replace everything. Now let's put this one on. This is the new one. Right? You have to turn this the other way. Like that. So I'm just gonna hook here. Okay, that's a good position. So make sure just tighten it. Okay, don't over tighten. Okay. And then next one, this rubber gasket. Alright. 2 bolts. And don't forget to put the washer. Okay, when you tighten it at the bottom. Don't tighten it on top, which what happens is you're gonna squeeze out the rubber washer. Okay, so everything's good. Alright, then now let's connect this. What the hell? What happened? Oh my goodness. See, there's always something. Alright, I found some a hose, so we have to replace that one. Is it long enough? It's just right on. We have to replace this one really quick. You have to, let's see. Since much better. Okay, so now let's come up here. So this one, just go like that. So this one is also universal. So this one here, let's go here. We're just gonna squeeze this one so that way it won't come off. Okay, if you have plier like this, there you go. Okay. So that way you won't come off. Okay, now so let's turn it on. There you go. Oh, finally it's working. So this one you can set it up to set it up that the water, I wanted the water probably should be there. It should be enough. Now it's working. Should be less than 1 minute. It should be fill up the tank. There you go. So we're good. The only adjustment that I have to do is the chain for the flop, because it's too loose. It doesn't really stay up. All right, see, it doesn't stay up. Yeah. See, look at that. If it does that, so it means this one, it's not lifting enough. So watch now. So we have to do some adjustment. So that just means you don't have to adjust from here, adjust it from the other one. Man. Water's so cold. Okay. There you go. See? Woo. I think it should be okay. As long as the water wants. Let's try it on. Alright, so that's everything. So that's what we can do. If any of your toilet needs something to repair or something like that, we can always do something about it. Alright, you'll do this before you call your licensed plumber.